Welcome to Vipas.AI, where we prioritize your experience with cutting-edge AI applications. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to navigate the platform efficiently to find the apps and models you need. Start by navigating to the official website, Vipas.AI. Upon landing on the homepage, direct your attention to the search bar positioned prominently at the top section of the website. Enter the name of the app or model you wish to find into the search bar. As an example, if we want to search the Mosaic app, enter its name in the search bar. As you begin typing, a drop-down menu will automatically appear, displaying a list of apps and models that match your search input. If you identify the app or model you are seeking within these suggestions, simply click on the corresponding item to access it directly. If the specific app or model is not immediately visible in the suggestions, press the Enter key to initiate a comprehensive search. This action will redirect you to a dedicated search results page, showcasing all apps and models relevant to your search term. On the search results page, you will encounter a consolidated list of all related apps and models. To refine your search, you can also utilize the following filters. Located on the left side of the page, this filter allows you to specify whether you're searching for apps or models. You can use additional features like name, category, created date, and updated date, price. Located at the top right of the page, you can also sort the apps and models using these options. Most runs, recently created, recently updated. Note that the search bar is a static feature on the Vipas.AI platform, making it accessible from any page within the website. This ensures that you can perform a search at any time without needing to navigate back to the home page. This way you can search and browse the diverse range of AI applications and models on Vipas.AI. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your journey with Vipas.AI.